Okay, so you came here because you want to learn how to convert text to specific types of cases, and so I'll get right into this. I'll keep this very short. We have 6 examples here, so let's go to home right here, and let's select this, and then we're going to go right over here. We're going to convert this to sentence case. Bam. Okay, we'll go back. We'll do this again with lowercase. Okay. And you're starting to get the picture here, uppercase. We're going to capitalize each word here. And then right here, we're going to convert this to toggle case. Now this right here, we're going to do something different with this one. So you see this little tab right here, pirate stuff. I made my own customized function here that's going to convert this to pirate speak, and it's going to have alternating case here. So it's going to be a little wacky. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to highlight this. So you can see the R right here. This be me example of a normal sentence. So converted it a little bit of pirate speak here. Now, if you don't code, that's okay. I'm going to set this up so even if you don't, you can customize it yourself. I just want to get people interested in coding. So go ahead and hit Alt and F11. So pretty much what I'm doing here with the pirate speak here is I have a couple of patterns here. So I change I'm to IB, you to ye, and so on. So if you want to put your own spin on this, make some changes to the word replacements in this section, or just create a new line using the same pattern and add your own word replacement pattern. Once you're done, just go ahead and hit X right here, and this will just take you back to where you started. And I put a lot of notes in the code in lieu of explaining each line because I really just want to get people who don't code excited about coding, and hopefully this will spark some interest. So how do we add our UPPERCASE macro here? Well, I'm going to show you. It's actually not that bad. So you want to do is, if you have the developer tab, you can click on Visual Basic, but most people don't. So go ahead and hit Alt and F11 here. All right, go to Insert, or insert a module, and just add the code right here. So you can paste it, or you hit Control and V to also paste it. X out of here. All right, now we're going to add it to our menu. So go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon. We're going to add a new tab. So first, let's rename the new tab. And I call this Pirate Stuff. All right. Now we're going to also rename the new group. Call this Pirate Tools. Hit OK. All right, now we got to find our macro. So go over here and select macros. That's the only one we've made. Let's add that. And then we want to rename this. I'm going to give it an icon as well. So first, we can use that anchor right there. For the icon, change the display name, Pirate Case. Hit OK. Hit OK again. And now you can see the Pirate Stuff tab right here and our Pirate Case. So let's select something and see if it works. And there it is. It works. It's great. Anyway, in the interest of keeping this short, I'm going to end here. But thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe if you enjoy this. And take care, everyone.